Hi, this is Safiya and the song I'm going to do this time is called Livin the Blues by Sounds of Blackness. And I understand that the words are a bit uncomfortable, but at times I think it's necessary just because this type of song really just tends to just humble your spirit. And regardless of who you are, whatever race or whatever, it's just a human race, period. When you hear a song like this, you just take a second. So here it goes. I hope you like it. If you don't, I get it. And if you do, thank you very much. So here we go. We are the blues people. Everybody wanna sing my blues. Nobody wanna live my blues. For a long, long time, we've been living the blues. For a long, long time, we've been paying dues. We've been up and we've been down, almost level to the ground for a long, long time. We've been living the blues since the days of southern plantations, living the blues. 400 years of humiliation and paying dues, stripped of pride and humanity, all in the name of Christianity. For a long, long, long time, we've been living the blues. For us to watch our sons and daughters beaten, raped, and even slaughtered. Slavery left us in ruins. Constitution said we're only 3/5 humans. Such a proud and royal people, living separate and unequal. Jim Crow was the rule. Instead of 40 acres and a mule. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Moved up north, thought we'd be free from living the blues. But we only found agony and paying dues. Ghettos, projects, and tenement slums, no better off than where we come from. For a long, long, long time, we've been living the blues. But we've come through the storms and rain, heartache and pain, living from day to day, trying hard to find our way. We keep holding on, living the blues has made us strong. No matter what, we know we can take it, no doubt about it, we're gonna make it. Oh yeah, everybody wanna sing my blues, nobody wanna live my blues. So I hope you like it. Thank you.